You are welcome to my channel. Okay, so this look is a newly. Wow.
It's Kelpie vibes.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi. If this is your first time here, you are welcome to my channel. Okay, this look is a New Year inspired look in collaboration with my lovely friend Zikel. Please make sure you check her out on Instagram, YouTube, also watch her video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. And make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel, like, comment, share, all those good stuff. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye. I don't know why I'm dancing. So guys, I don't know what look we're going to do today, but let's just get started. So I'm going to start off with my brows. I'm just going to fill them in real quick and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my brows and I just use like a normal brow gel and brow pencil to fill it in. To prep my eyes for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the PLOUISE base. And I'm just going to be applying that there. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35N palette. This is what we're going to be using. I'm going to take this color, the shade, as my crease color. Ooh. And I'm just patting it in before I blend. And I'm going to be using the shade. Use that to blend after applying the crease color. And I'm just going to be applying black at the outer corner of my eyes. And we're going back with that crease color and just blend everything in. Using the same peach shade, I'm mixing it up with the black. I'm just going to blend out the outer part of the eyeshadow so that you don't have those harsh lines from. So I feel like putting on glitters, so I'm going to be using this PLOUISE Poppin candy. This. But before I put that, I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer. So I'll be applying the glitter primer on this part. I'll do the other eyes and I'll be back. For my primer today, I'm going to be using the Pond's. After priming, I'm going to be using the bronze gold highlighter. I'm going to color correct using the Girl Pro Conceal in orange. I'm just going to put that on my dark spot. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Zikel Full Coverage Foundation. And I'll be using my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush to blend everything out. And I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter concealer. This is in dark 36. Using my setting powder to set my highlighted areas. So I'll fix my lashes, do my under eye, and I'll be right back.
It's Kelpie
Yeah.
vibes.
Yeah. Baby, you know, I'm in a choco.